Hi, my name is Shaka McLaughlin. I'm a professor of media studies here at Purchase College. I use they, them pronouns. So when we describe what we do and we think about it within our program, we often think of ourselves as children raised by wolves. And what I mean by that is we take a very do-it-yourself approach to thinking about media and making our own media in ways that suit our own needs. So in a lot of classes you'll be reading about but also making zines. You might read about short films or the history of cinema and make your own small cinema. You might use various gaming platforms to create your own characters and stage different worlds. But primarily what we do is think about how media shapes social life. What have people done with this major? Well, people have done all kinds of different things. They've gone on to become everything from social workers to lawyers to working in museums and galleries. Former students are now working for people like John Oliver. So what we're doing here is we're training you to think, we're training you to make, we're training you to embrace a DIY aesthetic and your own eclecticism. We want you to get out of here with this idea that you can make anything.